のスティーブです。今ランクル新しく買ってきたなっちゃんのランクルに乗ってます。先日ヨネちゃんのところから乗って帰ってきている途中でちょっといくつか細かいところ気になるところはいくつかありましたね。一つはその後ろのリアデフから曲がる時の音、変な音していましたよね。R はトヨタディーラーで働いてるからちょっと見てもらおうと思ってエンジンかけてさっき出発して今十何分乗っているところ全く音しなくなったんだよね。それまた不思議なんだよね。先日ああいう音をしていてで突然いきなり今日はしてない音が不思議なんだよね。なんででしょう。とりあえずあといくつか細かいところあるので R とまたヨネちゃんにちょっと見てもらおうと考えてます。今トヨタディーラーに着きました。でほら音がなんかまた戻ってきたんだよね。ちょっとゆっくり行ってこう右ほらあの音はよろしくないんだろうな。聞いてなんか後ろがあんまりいい音じゃないんだよね。早速 R に見てもらいましょう。そういえば他にほらランクルここにもあっちにも見えるかな。あっちにももうランクルいっぱいあるんで R が5台パットローブさんが5台買っちゃいましたね。R がいるかな。 R がいたよ。いたね。Morning, buddy. How are you, Al?
Good.
Nice to see you, man. Let's shove the camera right in your face first thing in the morning. Let's go look at some Land Cruisers while we listen to some noises from the back of this thing, okay? Going straight's not the problem. When we start turning, listen to the back. I hear something in that rear differential that's bothering me. There it is. Here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Going straight, I never hear it.
Doesn't sound
Turning
good
like
at
that
all.
doesn't sound very good at all, does it? Ugh. Not a good sound from back there, huh?
Nope.
No, I didn't think so. I'm not a Toyota mechanic or certified by any means, but I gotta tell you,
You don't have to. That's pretty obvious.
that's pretty obvious. Huh?
Yeah.
So here's the other thing. The other issue I want to point out to you. I've got a lot of slop in the steering wheel on this thing. I don't know, do these have steering boxes that you could tighten up and take a little play out?
I think so, but it could be just worn out.
Could be just worn out
Yeah,
too, right?
Replace it.
Is there a
Yeah,
knuckle bushing or one of those bushings in there too?
There is.
There
Or a
is.
shaft going down. I think just past the firewall.
Got it. You know what's funny? This morning when I started her up, Al, I was like, God, I'm going to take a trip to Al for no reason because I backed her out of the driveway, and in reverse, I didn't hear a darn thing when I was going backwards like this. Listen. Oh, now it's doing it. This morning it wasn't, but it's not as bad.
Yeah, let's
It's
just
not good
park
anyway,
it.
right?
I think we should just park it.
I was like, I just got finished doing a segment saying, God, look, I came out for no reason at
We
all.
just need to park it.
But, okay, where do you want to go, man?
Let's park next to the Land Cruiser Heaven right there.
All right, going straight, I got to tell you, she's beautiful. She ran so good this morning down the highway. I'm telling you, this thing is a beautiful Land Cruiser. By the way, let's show everybody all the other Land Cruisers we got. You got. Not we got. You and Pat got.
There you go.
Land
There's a few
Cruiser
more.
Country here at Pat Loeb
And then there's
Toyota.
another one.
Oh, I
over
already showed
there.
him that one, man. The one with the tank out of it?
Yeah.
All right, well, you're going to help me square away mine a little bit here, too.
We'll sort it out. But
Yoni
yeah,
did
we need to leave it here, and I'll get you a ride home or something.
I shouldn't be driving
It could
away.
get worse.
It's not going to get better, right?
Nope.
All right, man. Thanks. Hey, Al.
Hey, man.
So you're going to check it out for me, bro? You're going to check out that rear end? Take a look at what's going on in there, please?
Yeah, it doesn't sound nice.
You won't even let me drive home on my own, will you?
Nope. I gotta drop you off there.
You got a new Toyota for me to drive home?
No, but I can drop you off at my new Toyota.
All right, I'll take you up on that. In the meantime, though, you know what I do want to do? I kind of want to give people a little peek at what's going on back here in the back corner of Pat Loeb Toyota. Hey Al, another secret back room here, huh? Oh my goodness. It ain't a lot of Toyotas back in this room, but I like what I see. Woo! There's a little Al special right here. Look at this thing. Nice.
It's work in progress.
I think I know a Toyota mechanic who can handle it, huh? Nice. And tell us about this thing, dude. Woo!
It's kind of a dumb idea of taking it apart, but I'm here now. There's no turning back.
Yeah, right? No turning back now, dude.
No turning back. Gotta fix it.
No turning back. Woo! Look at that. So, completion date on this one?
I don't want to push myself, but
You're going on record. Uh-oh! They weren't supposed to cut it there, huh, Al? A little bit of cleanup work to do on this. No, it is what it is.
It's fixable, but
Everything's fixable. I guess, almost. What is this here, man? Found a little
Speedmaster.
Speedmaster. スピードマスターの意味の分かる人がいるならぜひ教えてください。All right, Al, thanks for the ride back home, man. Any guesses on what that rear end, that differential problem's gonna be?
No clue, but we'll find out.
You gonna take some video if I'm not there when you open it up and a bunch of metal chunks come falling out of it?
Absolutely.
Thank God it's at a Toyota dealer though, huh? I know somebody can get some parts.
We can get parts.
I bet you can. All right, bro.
See you,
Have a
man.
good day. We'll talk to you
too.
later.
Talk to you later, man.
No. Sky, sit. Sit down. Ready, fetch. Fetch the ball. Go fetch it. Okay, bring it here. Good girl. Bring it here. Okay, sit down. Sit. Oops, sit down. Get a ball. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. Good boy. Yay!
Down. No. Sit down. 昨日は聞いてたんだけど。Sit down. No.
興奮しすぎ。
興奮してる。
ランクルはやっとナンバー取って、これから毎日でも乗れるよね。まあオフロードじゃないんだけど、どうせオフロード車だから、ちょっとね、行ってみようか。
でもここ4ウィールドライブいるんじゃないの？
いるでしょう。行きましょう。
4はい。
おお、4区。はい。おお、わかった。4区。タンクから離れてね。なるべくワイドに。4区は違う？
違うね。
ナイス。まあダンプとあれを取ってるそっちだよね。芝生を着てるような。いいね。じゃあこういうところはあって、ちょっと外から見てみたい。
ねえ、あれちょっとあれできるかな？
やってみよう。 かっけー。おお、かっけー、あっちゃん。かっこいいよ。これはツーショットだね。もうできたばかのドライブウェイ、このセメントなんだけどオイルだらけ。新しいランクルーザー、あっちゃんのランクルーザーは結構オイル漏れしてますね。気になってます。昨日の夜もこれ以上はね、オイル漏れで汚くなっても仕方ないなと思ってこの上に止めたんだけど、芝生に悪いけど、こっちで漏れてもらった方が大変なんだよね。でもちょっと R のところに行ってちょっと見てもらおうかなと。その後ヨネちゃんのところまで行って直してもらうところあれば直してほしい。そしてあとデフの方もなんかまたね、ちょっとデフの音なのかマフラーのガタガタなのか、結構硬いから違うかもしれないけど、どうでしょうね。なんか音はしてきてるから。でも調子いいんだよね。しばらく乗られてないものにしては調子はめちゃくちゃいい。旧車ってさ、いろいろあるんで、直してもオイル交換してもこうずっと乗られてない。もう人間の体と同じだよね。というのは運動しない、座るっぱなし、体を動かさない、汗かかないことがよろしくないんだよね。特に長くそういう生活していくと全然いいことじゃないので、車もそうなんだよね。これは多分少なくても7年8年はそのまま寝かしてあった。でいきなり乗り出してオイル交換なりあれしたりもうするべきなところをしてきたんだけど、それでもやっぱりシールとかああいうところがダメになっている可能性もあるので、オイル漏れだけはなんとかね抑えておきたいんでね。すごくいいトラックなので、今のうちケアしてあげたいんだよね。